The overall goal of this procedure is to illustrate the steps of proper data acquisition using event-related potential recording. This is accomplished by first placing an electrode cap on the participant. The second step is to insert electrogel into the electrodes of the cap using a syringe. Next, a needle is used to scratch the surface of the scalp to gain good impedance, as observed using data acquisition software such as NeuroScan. The final step is to record the EEG waves. Ultimately, the raw data is processed to obtain event-related potentials, which can be analyzed for characteristic waveforms such as the N1, the N400, and the P600.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods like fMRI is its excellent temporal resolution, which allows researchers to follow the rapid temporal modulations of neural activity elicited by sensory, cognitive, and motor processes down to the millisecond.
The visual demonstration of this method is critical because the technical steps are difficult to master due to the numerous details involved that, when carried out incorrectly, can jeopardize the interpretation of the findings. Ola, a graduate student of my lab, will be demonstrating the procedure, and Katherine, my research assistant, will be acting as a participant.
Upon participant arrival, discuss the experiment and ask the participant to review and sign the consent form. Suggest using the bathroom and to